fare thee well now, Indiana. Your green lands have been good to me, and there I traveled, and there I settled, there I raised up my family. But the cord has never severed, and belonging each day has grown. So tomorrow I'll be leaving for the land I call my home. And all my friends, they say I'm crazy going back to such poverty. America is, so they say now, the land of opportunity. But the red deer runs so freely, and the herons slowly fly. These are treasures from my homeland that all your money could never buy. And as our ship lies in the harbor, and I look back onto your shores, and I'll feel sadness that I'm leaving your green lands forevermore. And as our ship lies on the ocean, and each day we're at the sea, all the memories I've had for years now, they're growing nearer to reality. So fare thee well now, Indiana. Your green lands have been good to me, and there I traveled, and there I settled, and there I raised up my family. Thank you.